Verb conjugations. All the verbs end with an AR, IR, or ER ending. So hablar, which means to speak, is grouped as an AR verb. So you use the tenses for when you're talking about present tense, past tense, future tense, or several other tenses, but we're going to focus on just present tense, which is talking about things in the now. For an AR verb, you replace the AR at the end of that verb with an O when you're talking about present tense. So yo hablo, or when you're talking to someone, it's either tú hablas, which is AS, or usted habla, which is just an A. When we're talking about a group that you're a part of, we change the AR to AMOS, amos, so hablamos. Or when you're talking about a group of people over there, or a they, you put an AN instead of an AR, so hablan. That way is the present tense for AR verbs.